guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here, and if you are, make sure you subscribe and everything. I post new videos weekly sometimes because like life happens, but definitely follow me on Instagram then because I'm way more active on there with like daily stuff and everything. Jumping right into this video, so this is going to be a spring try-on haul. I do not even remember the last time I did just like a basic try-on haul. I feel like I've just been slacking in that department, so I thought, you know, it's perfect time for a try-on haul because I have a lot of new items with me. But yeah, so I'm really excited to share with you guys. I have kind of everything from gifted clothing that I use to shoot content for Instagram, to items that I've thrifted and got from like small businesses, and then also items that I've just bought myself. So let's get right into it. Kicking things off with some accessories and shoes and whatnot. So I got these sunnies. Look at how cute these are. I got these sunnies gifted from Lulus. I'll try to link everything that I can directly down below, but these are so cute. I just feel like they're so in right now with kind of the shape of them, even to like the lens too. It's like that orangey tint like lens, but I feel like they're so adorable. But yeah, so like I said, I'll try to link these. Then getting into shoes, I got platform Converse. I feel like these are so in right now. I've been seeing them everywhere and they've been like that. I mean, they're Converse. They're like never ever gonna go out of style, but they're just platform Converse. So they're just like that much better than normal Converse, you know? But these are always sold out everywhere. I got them from the website Sense. It's like Sense with 2 S's, so it's S-S-E-N-S-E. I'll try to link them down below directly from that website, and hopefully they're in stock. If not, maybe just like sign up to get alerts or something, because these babies sell out all of the time. I'm trying to keep them really clean as well. I need to like clean them again, but I want these to be like my nice Converse, so I'm trying to keep them really clean because like I don't know about you, but all of my Converse that I do have, I have like low rise and then just these, but like not platform, they just get destroyed so fast. So I'm trying to keep those really clean. Then another sneaker that I got, again with a platform. This one's a higher platform than the Converse, which I really love. But I got these from NastyGal. They're so cute. They are comfortable. And they were on sale for only like 25 bucks. I think regularly they're like $40, so still affordable. But I couldn't pass these up when I saw they were on sale for like 20 bucks. So yeah, I do love them. Again, I'm trying to keep these really clean as well as like a nicer fashion sneaker, just because they're so adorable. They kind of look like Vans. But yeah, love these. And then the last shoe that I have to show you guys are these really cute slip-on sandals from Miss Lola. These are all like elastic, stretchy, so comfortable. Again with the platform, these are really like 90s, like give me huge 90s, 2000s flashbacks with these sandals, but I can't wait to wear them. Like legit, these are probably gonna be like everyday sandals for me once it really starts warming up here in Arizona. Also, I do have a code for Miss Lola. It's just Sydney and you can get 30% off. So I will link these down below. Make sure you use my code so you can save. Also, just disclaimer, the lighting is probably gonna change. I'm just going off natural lighting today, so that's that. But yeah, getting into the good stuff, all the clothes. So I'm gonna start off with NastyGal. I bought these, everything from NastyGal, I bought myself, just to disclaim, because I know they do a lot of influencer work and everything. These are from NastyGal and I absolutely love them. They're like a perfect denim short because they're nice and like short, you know, like normal, like little Daisy Duke kind of style in the front, but then in the back they're nice and long, so they completely cover my butt, which just, you know, makes me so happy because I don't know about you, but I just get very uncomfortable when I'm wearing jean shorts and I just like can feel like them riding up my butt and like my cheeks are out. Like that's just not a look It's not cute. Like, I'm not going for that. Like, no one has time for jean shorts that don't cover you. Yeah, we don't like that. So I'm obsessed with these, and they're nice and like really high-waisted, just all around super flattering. So I will link these down below, of course. And then next from NastyGal is just this t-shirt. It's legit, bless you. It's legit just plain all on the front, but on the back it has the 10 commandments, but they're all like really cute. I'll read some off for you. So it's like, number 1, you shall support each other. Number 2, you shall not apologize for being a powerful fucking woman. Like, they're all just really witty and cute. Like, one of them is like, you shall be eating healthy. You shall give yourself permission to be yourself. You shall not apologize for being you. Just like really adorable. You know, they have some like swear words in there, so they're like trendy, cute, I don't know, you know? Yeah, and I got this in a medium, so it's a little oversized as well. And then next here I have a few things from Lulus. First off, the shirt that I'm wearing is from Lulus, as well as these really dope pink trousers. You can see them more in the try-on, but yeah, they're very awesome, and I'm obsessed with these trousers. I wore them all day today, walking around, getting lunch and everything, and they're very comfortable. I forget what size I got in them, but I'll put like my sizes down below too for reference for everybody. But yeah, I know I sized up, maybe? No, I didn't size up in the shirt. I think I got like smalls for both of these, but anyways, yeah, I'll put it down below. But obsessed with this shirt. It's so soft and comfortable. I love the Elton John design. It's really just cute and trendy. It's like just a nice band tee, you know, you can never go wrong. But then the pink trousers are like that like boom statement, you know, and you could wear these trousers so many different ways. You could dress them up, dress them down like I did today. You could do anything with them, so I absolutely love them, and I feel like they're so perfect for spring. And then also from Lulus is this dress that I'm holding here. I posted a picture in this already on my Instagram, and it is just such an adorable long kind of like slip dress. It's like a nice silky material, but really adorable sleeves and everything. They are like elastic, so they're nice and stretchy, and it's just a really cute dress. I don't know, I'm just about it, and I feel like this would be really comfortable for when it gets super hot, you know, because it's a nice fabric. It's really flowy and airy and everything, so I'm about it. Oh, and I was gifted the stuff from Lulus, just to disclaim. Okay, and next up I have some items from Miss Lola. Like I said, you could use my code Sydney for 30% off. And I will list these all down below. So the first one is this really adorable, just like white bodycon dress. I really love this. It's just great. It's a nice thick material too. It's not too see-through or anything like that. And this is just also another really nice, super cute and casual dress, you know, to dress up and down during the spring and the summer. I feel like it's just very comfortable. I styled them with those sandals on my Instagram and like an oversized denim jacket. I'll like pop some photos up. But yeah, really obsessed with this. I feel like I'm gonna wear it a lot this spring and summer. Then I got this purple floral dress, very, very springy. And it's got like some ruching all down, and it kind of has like that, I don't know what you would call this, like the peasant milkmaid top, and then it just zips in the back. The only thing is I probably should have sized up because my butt ripped the back, so that's just a me problem. It happens, we love that, we move on. But overall, this is so cute. I just probably should have sized up. I got a small, could have gone with a medium, but super adorable besides that one issue that I have. And lastly from Miss Lola is this really, really cute red bodysuit. It has like cups already in it, and it's like mesh all down. It kind of looks like a corset, but it's really, really adorable, super saucy, and I love it. And this is like another thing that could be like dressed up and down and everything. I'd probably wear it with like some blue jeans and like sneakers or something like that, but then for like a date night, throw on like a faux leather skirt or something like that. Would be real cute. I dig it. I dig it. And then to wrap things up, so I got one thing that I kind of thrifted from like a local girl out here in Arizona who makes these shirts and like thrifts them, and then, you know, does all of this like distressing and little details, and it's just really cute. It's like a Bike Week Myrtle Beach 2013 shirt, and I just thought it was just really adorable. I love wearing like cropped graphic tees and everything in the spring and the summer with just like shorts, and even wearing this with leggings or just like normal jeans. This just, yeah, I had to have it. It was only like 20 bucks, and gotta love thrifting and supporting people's work, you know what I mean? And then also, while I got this shirt too. Me and my friend Devin, we went to this I forget what it's called. I guess you could kind of call it like a flea market that happened out here in Mesa, and so I got this from another one of like the small businesses that was there, and it's just a graphic tee that says Happy Humans Club, and I just love how it's kind of like, you know, the vintage art. This is an extra large. Yeah, this is an extra large. It was only like 15 bucks, but I can't decide if I want to keep it like fully long like this or cut it. I might just keep it big for a while, you know, get that oversized vibe out of it, and then I might eventually cut it into like a crop. Yeah, very pleased with both of these finds. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little kind of spring try-on haul. I will link everything that I can down below, as I mentioned before, and if you're shopping with Miss Lola, make sure you use my code Sydney for 30% off. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram.